What is going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys here how to make NFTs on your phone. So you're going to be able to make NFT art on your phone. And I'm going to show you guys here one of the best apps here that I found on how to make NFT art on your phone. And I'll be leaving it in the description below. So let's get started here. And the app is called NFT Art Maker. Okay, I'll leave it in the description below. You guys can download it. I'm just going to show you guys here how to use it. Okay, right when you open it, they do have a paid version, 1 week, 1 year, but you don't have to use that. You have a free version. You just click right here at the top left, click X. So obviously right here, projects is for the projects that you already have saved. You can come back, work on it again, but we're going to create a new one. So we're going to click create new, right? And so they give you 3 options on how to start this. You can start with a gradient, as you guys can see, or you can start with a picture on your gallery, okay, if you guys got a picture on your gallery, or they even have Pixabay, where you can search and browse thousands and thousands of images. For example, here, let's say I wanted a picture of I don't know, a bird, right? Let's just search that up. And then as you guys can see, there are a bunch of pictures here that are, you know, for birds and stuff like that, images like that. Now, one of the ideas too for gallery, let's say if you guys are somebody that likes to sketch a lot, likes to draw a lot, what I recommend with this app, there are a lot of scanner apps out there, as you guys can see right here. All you gotta do is get a scanner app. This one is a good one right here, as you guys can see. No block. See, so you draw it, you scan your drawing, and then it appears on your phone as if it is a digital drawing, right? So that is just awesome. So you guys can just get a scanner app like this one, Note Block, scanner apps in, you know, the App Store or even the Play Store. So just get that if you guys like sketching and you guys want to bring your sketches to be an NFT. This is probably the most easiest and efficient way using your phone. So then when you're using this app, you can just go on the galleries and pick your drawing. But for this case, I'm just going to use Pixabay here. Let me just use some random photo here as an NFT. I kind of like this one. So next thing here, you could choose your dimensions, as you guys can see right here. You can crop it. They have a bunch of dimensions here, as you guys can see. I'm going to go with this one, the 1x1, and go right there. Click done. And then I love this feature about this app. I love the filters are amazing on this app. This is why I really like this app if you guys want to make an NFT of some sort. See all these filters, as you guys can see right here, you just click on it and then boom, right? It changes it. You click on this one and I like the filters because they're so different and like unique that it kind of looks like an art piece. That one, this one. So let's say, okay, I like this one. Right? You can actually make layers, which is pretty cool for this app. If you guys want to do that, click layers. You can add text if you guys want to add text. There's also graphics here, which is pretty cool. So let's say I wanted to add like a 3D graphic, you could add that. Obviously here, these are the unlocked ones because we don't have the paid version. But if you guys really like this app, you can buy the paid version if you want that. But you can still use it normally. You can add another image on top of it, which is pretty awesome. Not a lot of apps let you do that with layers. Most of the apps are just linear and they don't let you put images on top of images. Let's see what this is. This is the background. So let's say I added that as the background. The opacity if you want. Okay, so right there I want half, so you put it right there. I actually kind of like it half because it kind of looks real with it like that. So that's pretty good. So as you guys can see, they have a lot of filters here, but most of them are in the paid version. So if you want to try these other filters out, I guess you got to use the paid version. But again, you could just use it for 1 week for literally $4 or a year for $50. So that's if you want to try that. But I still think the free version is good enough. Next thing you guys want to do is click export and then save to gallery. And then we should be able to go in the gallery right over here and be able to see it right over here. Boom, as you guys can see. Obviously, another thing to note, I forgot to say, the watermark. There's the watermark there, but don't worry. There's a way to crop it. You can still crop the watermark. Obviously, I didn't do it for this picture. But all you gotta do is click the longer dimensions, right? Click the longer dimension, and then all you gotta do is go in your gallery app and then just crop it out. Boom. And then boom, it's not there anymore, right? But obviously you gotta get the longer dimension. I kind of got the short dimension here. So this app is pretty simple to use. I love the filters and the fact that you could put layers on layers, and it's called NFT Art Maker. I'll leave the link in the description below so you guys can go download it and definitely make your NFTs. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.